Hello, welcome to CryptoBox channel. Before we proceed, please click the subscribe button and turn on your notification to receive our crypto update. There is a constant question which is asked across the community which relates to the market cap value dropping or rising, even if they are not transactions. This is due to the fact that Shinja is pegged to ETH. This means that if the price of ETH fluctuates, up or down, it will impact our market cap value. If you are a long-term holder, I recommend that you change your chart to display the ETH value, which gives you a less market-dependent view on your investment. As an example of this, see the images below. This is the exact same chart taking the above into consideration. As you see, the top image gives a false view on Shinja itself, as the impact on ETH price at the moment is quite negative. The bottom image, however, shows that we're simply in a solid state of consolidation at the moment. You can flip between these by clicking the pair in blue to the right of indicators. Exchanges. Saitama. Cliff opened the AMA reiterating that we will not be listing on Saitama at this time. They are requiring Cliff to renounce the contract, and Cliff has no plans to do that. The listing fee was refunded, and it will go towards the per bit listing fee. Cliff has released an official statement on the situation that can be found on Twitter. Crypto.com. Cliff has been asked a few times if we can just skip straight to listing on Crypto.com. We need to be listed on more exchanges in order to list on Crypto.com. Once we list on Probit and Gate.io, that requirement should be satisfied. We also need to maintain a consistent daily trading volume of $15 million, $20 million. Cliff states that he will look into pegging our token onto other blockchains, which still ties into our liquidity on the Ethereum blockchain to help increase the volume. Lastly, we still need to gather up $1.5 million for the listing fee. Bitmart. Cliff has reached out to Bitmart requesting a clear and definitive answer on how they will fulfill their obligations to their investors that fell victim to their recent hack. He is still awaiting an answer and will not pursue the listing until a sufficient plan is in place. Bank exchange listing has been requested several times. Unfortunately, it is not an option at this time. They do not support our number of zeros. We will focus on the exchanges that are on our roadmap, and then look into other exchange listings afterwards. We will be continuing on with our existing listing plan for the time being, which is firstly going to be Probit and Gate.io. Renouncement of contract. Cliff has explained several reasons why renouncing the contract is not in the best interest of any project or community. The developer loses the ability to access any function available on the contract, including but not limited to change the tax percentage, like we have done with the holiday promotion, changing our tax from 13% down to 9% for the months of December and January. Blacklist wallets that violate any of the set rules, like the rules that our private sale investors must follow in order to protect the liquidity of the project. Move the liquidity and move it to a new contract in the event that issues or opportunities to pivot due to the old contract. Several projects have had this issue in the past and have had to start from scratch because they had renounced ownership and lost all access to their liquidity. We have spoken to other tokens and exchanges, and the requirement to renounce to list of T1 exchanges is not the case. It is a decision from each exchange, and is not a de facto requirement across the board. Renouncing ownership of a contract does not make a project any safer from being a rug pull. Even if the ownership is renounced, nothing is stopping bad actor token developers or team members from selling their tokens, causing a soft rug pull, abandoning their community, and causing irreparable damage to the liquidity. Shinja is here to stay. We're developing products and an entire ecosystem, with our faces out there. We're here to stay. General news. Dubai. Reminder that if you plan on coming to the Crypto Expo in Dubai, please DM Shibnobi Strong on Telegram, KB on YouTube or Jason on Discord with a head count, kids, no kids, and number of hotel rooms that you will need. AG will work with his contacts towards a group discount on hotels there. US Olympic bobsled sponsorship. We are sponsoring a qualifier round US bobsled team. Looking forward to Manteo Mitchell's successes. Giveaway. Cliff stated that he has not forgotten about the current giveaway. He is still catching up and plans on having the rewards out by the end of this weekend. He is also planning to launch more challenges giveaways very soon as well. Burn, due to the current health of the market, we have altered our burn challenge to a more achievable goal. Once we reach 50,000 holders and the 1800s price point, we will burn 1 sextillion. If we achieve this goal by the end of January, the lowered tax percentage, 9% down from the usual 13%, will be extended through to the month of February. Charity, we will begin collecting donations for 2 new causes. Drug alcohol recovery with the retreat. One of our very active community members in Nigeria has requested funds to provide clean food, water, school supplies, and other basic necessities for his village. Practice professionalism at all times in the chats, Telegram, YouTube, Discord, etc. Inappropriate language, sexual behavior, and bashing of other projects will not be tolerated in our chat rooms. You will be muted, banned depending on the severity. We do not want potential investors to be turned away from the lack of professionalism in our chat. Cliff wants to return to our roots and have the community focus on shilling the way we used to do. Raids. Tweets. The word-of-mouth marketing from our community has been the reason for our exponential growth. Let's go back to that and spread the word of Shinja. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to receive our newest updates.